Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are working with SQL Server and you want to know which version is installed on your system, then this video is for you. Many beginners face this problem, especially during interviews, projects or installation time. So today we will show a very easy and quick method to check a SQL Server version. Open SQL Server Management Studio and connect to your SQL Server instance. My instance name is Sharp, so I will connect. After that, new query, click on new query and type the command select @ version. Then execute this command or press F5 also. So we will see a result. SQL Server version or addition 2019. That was a developer addition. That's it. Your SQL Server version is displayed. If this video is help you, please like, share and subscribe.